Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Manasa channel. Today I am going to speak on three topics. One is removal of A apprentice from CPC-A and to be CPC. Second one is how to renew APC membership and what is the need to renew APC membership. Then third is what are CEUs and how many have to be done CEUs and when to submit the CEUs. This video is especially for freshers who are new to certification and once certified, what next? Yes, in order to maintain or continue your certification, you need to submit CEUs, that is continuing education units. Then you need to renew your membership, AAPC membership annually. Then third one is how to remove apprentice is from CPC-A. Initially, whoever is certified, passed the certification exam, they will be CPC-A, that is CPC apprentice, certified professional coder apprentice. Once you submit your experience letter of 2 years, you should have a company experience letter from the company with a letterhead logo of your company and signature of your manager, stating that you are experienced in the company in coding, that is 2 years experience certificate in medical coding. Second letter would be your colleague. Your colleague should write a letter stating that you are working with him or her along with her in the same company for the 2 years. If you produce these two letters, one is company's experience, coding experience letter, second is your colleague's letter stating that you have been coding from 2 years. If these two letters are submitted or emailed to AAPC, they will from 2 to 3 business or 5 to 5 business days they will remove your apprentice, and from CPC-A you will be a CPC holder. All right, why what is the difference between CPC-A and CPC? CPC-A and CPC will have no much difference in India, but in US, yes, while recruiting recruiters or HR executives see whether the candidate is CPC or CPC-A. It values your certification. CPC means yes, you are 2 years experience. CPC-A means you have not completed 2 years experience in coding. Then I'll show you step by step how to renew AAPC membership. Just log into AAPC website, okay. Then you will get a home page where you'll find all these tabs. Go to my AAPC. So this is how when you log into AAPC, you will see number of tabs in my AAPC: membership, education, certification, etc. So when you click on membership renew, you can see the date here in my AAPC. Membership renewal is 2/28/2021, that is this February end. So I am clicking on membership renew and adding to my cart. It is $180. Every year we have to renew this AAPC membership to keep our CPC credentials active. Here you can see my order summary, $183, and I need to pay it with my credit card, or if I don't have credit card I need to borrow it from my relatives or friends to pay for membership, and the membership will be renewed. If you are working in a good coding company will pay this annual membership for you to maintain your CPC credential. Coming to CEU is continuing education unit. This has to be submitted for every 2 years, 36 in number. So here you can find 36 due 2022. Then if you see the CEU tracker, to be submitted means you are yet to submit in the future. Previously submitted means which you have submitted in the past. So if you click on add CEUs and if you enter index number, CEUs will be added like this. See previously submitted CEUs mine. You can see here status approved, date and time submitted, total CEU due date, CEU's due, and you can see the details as well. You can either buy CEUs with money, or you can find from some low cost CEUs or free CEUs. Let us see the CEU collection. So one is through workshop, then codified by APC, on-demand events, national and regional conferences, and other low-cost CEOs. The coders do is like they do quiz which is available on Healthcare Business Monthly. So every month one quiz will be there, and which gives us one CEU. This is how the quiz is, 20 questions, and we will have 3 attempts to attain CEU. Each quiz gives us one CEU. Also see here webinars, meetings, conferences on different dates, and event name, then CEOs approved. Okay, this is on demand events. So membership has to be renewed annually, and CEUs have to be done and submitted once in 2 years, which both of these are equally important in maintaining your CPC credential, certification credential, which is very essential for your coding career. So this is how A is removed from CPC, and you'll be CPC certified. Then how you renew your membership, APC membership annually, and then when to submit CEUs, and why CEUs are important to maintain credentials. Hope you like this video. Please share this video to the freshers, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.